Hey guys, it's me with eyes. How you doing today? So today I'm gonna be watching Morissette Amon sing Fly Like a Bird by Mariah Carey. This video is only a minute and a half, so we are going to have to go from 0 to 100 real quick because there's not that much to see. But if there's anyone who can take us to 0 to 100 really fast, it's Morissette. Buckle your seatbelts and let's begin. Here we go. Get into it! Ooh! I need you right now, right now. Oh! Because love is survive. Yes! Perfect!
Morissette version.
Yes!
Carry me high, Lord, 'cause I need the strength of you to survive. Oh, carry me home. Wait, sorry.
Okay. I will wait.
Wala akong boses. Pagkatapos na natin pinagawa.
That's gonna be Beyonce. Yes! I told you that was gonna be a fast one. But did Morissette deliver what we wanted? Absolutely. Morissette is really one of the only people who can sing that song to its fullness because she can do the whistle at the end, and she's got the belts that are oh so powerful and the runs that were on point. I also need to sign up for Kumu because I am missing out on so much. I'm gonna see right now if it is on the App Store. It is! Okay, I thought that maybe because I'm in the US that it might not be available to download, but you know what? It is available and I'm gonna download it right now. Because I know Morissette's on it, Katrina's on it. Who else is on it? I am ready to get Kumified. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you all later. Bye!